Alright guys, welcome back to the shop today. We got the Craftsman Gold 6.25 Briggs and Stratton with the infamous plastic carburetor. It will start and fire on a little bit of magic in a can, but if you just pull start it without that, it will not start and run. So we're going to pull the carburetor off here and pull the bowl, clean it up, put it all back together, and decided I'll take y'all along. I know there's 50 million of these videos out here of these carburetors getting tore apart and cleaned, but hey, what the heck. It's always interesting. I always watch them because you never know what you're going to find in that bowl. So sit back, relax, and we'll get this carburetor pulled off and get it on the bench and set the camera up and show y'all what we got going on. Alright guys, get the carb off. Let's crack this egg here and see what we got on the inside here. Alright, I've got the right screwdriver here. Alright, doesn't look bad, but of course on these things here, can't really tell what's going on, but we'll get it all tore apart there and blow through all the little openings and orifices and needles and seats and whatnots, and we'll get her cleaned out and get her back on the tractor. So let's see if I can get this, if I can pull this out by hand or if I have to push it out through the top there, so we can get down in there and give her a little oomph. Alright, and we'll just shoot through her, and I don't want to break this plastic frickin' carburetor, so we'll just shoot some stuff through her and see what we got going on here. Let's open this choke up so we can see what's going on. Trying not to shoot you guys in the eyeball. Oh yeah, we got that going. Thinking maybe that needle and seat has a little dirt in her. So, but yeah, I don't know. We'll get her all cleaned out though and shoot through the holes. And this thing was ran without an air cleaner on it, so that get you guys in the eyeball. Almost got me in the eyeball. So yeah, turn this thing a little sideways there, so that shit back in your eyeball. Alright, we got stuff all through there, so I'm gonna grab a pair of pliers and get this needle out of here and make sure she's not all gooeyed up. And there we go. Where did that needle? There it is. That needle don't look bad, so we'll get it all cleaned up good. And alright, there's that. Yeah, I think we got it cleaned up pretty well, so we'll get her put back together and bring you all back and throw her on the mower and see if she runs. Alright guys, we got the carburetor back on here. We're going to give her a first pull start here and see if she fires up. Alright y'all, that'll do it for this video. I know it's kind of a short but sweet one, but it is what it is. There ain't much to those carburetors, and there's a ton of videos out there on, you know, the nooks and crannies of getting them things cleaned out and rebuilding them, or whatever you want to call it. But I just wanted to, you know, show that everybody runs into problems with those things. I don't know if it's the design of them or what, but, you know, they all end up having problems. So it is what it is. You know, we did a little quick video on it, a little funny thing, but so I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you like the video. If you don't like the video, leave a comment. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. You know, but if you give me a thumbs down, tell me what you didn't like about the video. Don't just give me a thumbs down, you know. But that'll do it for today. And so, you all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next video. Be safe.